Yo, what's happening? We back, man. Back up in here with another one of. Yeah, I'm finna do something. I think this is gonna be very, very dumb. This. I don't think I got enough space for this. So, bro, I think this gonna be dumb as hell. Let me see. Is there an open space? Is there an open space I can go to? That's too far to walk. I ain't walking way down now. So, oh my God. So I got a drone. And it does a little El Cheapo. You know what I'm saying? It does a little cheap drone, man. You know what I'm saying? Ain't nothing expensive or nothing like that. But y'all see the fins already scratched up, right? Cause my stupid ass decided the other night that I'm gonna turn it on in the house. Mind you, I've only flown a drone once. And yeah, that one almost got away from me, so I don't know, bro. I don't think this is a good idea. I think I need to be around some grass, so if it does fall, it don't mess nothing up. But it got guards on it though. It got guards, so I don't want to mess my propellers up. It got guards on it, but like if it hit the concrete, it'll probably shatter it. So if it's in the grass, it'll be, you know what I'm saying? Like it'll be a better landing or whatever. But, bruh. I don't think this is a good idea. I swear I don't. But, hey, maybe I need to learn. I don't know. But, yeah. Let me try and see if I can let me sit here and ponder on this for a minute to see if this is something I even want to do, because I don't want to tear it up. So yeah, man. Big Beelo drone pilot coming soon. If not, oh boy, it's funny. Man, I'm scared as hell. I ain't gonna even lie. But it got an app on here. Let me see. Turn it on.
My dog I got a remote.
It's an auto connect. I don't know how close I gotta be to it, but it's on. It ain't connected though. Can y'all see the light flash? Man, this wind blowing now. Oh damn, there you go. What is he looking at? I don't know what I'm doing. I don't say nothing about the drone controls. Okay. Oh shit. Alright. So it got drone controls on the app. So I guess I ain't gotta use the remote. I was looking at the ground. Yeah, I don't know what that was. See what I'm saying? Like, bruh. I don't know what that was. It didn't hit nothing though. It flew up on the trailer. See, I need to be out in the open with this. Cause it's just, this junk just did exactly whatever it wanted to do. Or maybe I'm tripping. Cause that wind didn't blow it that far. I need to be out in the open with this. So that means go up. Hold on. So those, man, bro, I ain't got time for this. Boy, I ain't got time for this at all. I don't need to be around nothing that this thing can fly into. Even though I got the guards on there, it's flying to the right for some strange reason. Or it's flying to the side for some strange reason. I think I'm finna go out here I think I'm gonna walk out here. I think I'm gonna walk out here in the grass. This camera, so the camera don't move by itself. I gotta move the camera myself. I think I'm gonna walk out here in this grass. And this camera is not, well, you know what? They never told me that this camera was 4K or nothing like that, so I don't need to even be banking on that, talking about this 4K. So, all right. Let me go over here in the grass, man. See what I got. All right, y'all. We got a few minutes. So I'm gonna just see if I can get it in the air. Okay, this is the throttle level, and this is for directional. All right, let's see. It's on. Okay, so flying in grass ain't ideal. Flying in grass ain't ideal, y'all. Yep, flying in grass ain't ideal. Because the grass is gonna get caught in the propellers. Which that totally makes sense. I just don't want to tear it up. Hold on. Crash course. Flying a drone. There's too much stuff around here. So I need to be like in a parking lot. See, that one not even on. This one not even spinning. And it could be the wind too. Which way the wind blowing? It could be the wind, because it's like taking off like. Y'all can see that? I don't know, y'all. I'm gonna figure it out though, I guess. Okay, class, what have we learned? As of right now, Beelo is not a drone pilot. That's what we learned. We learned that for sure. Yes, Lord. Cause I don't know if it was their drone or the operator. It might have been operator's error. Cause boy, I feel like I just went out there and sweated for nothing. I went out there and sweated for nothing. But yeah, I ain't gonna stop though. I'm gonna try it again. It started doing some funny shit, so I don't know. But I'm gonna see. But anyway, yeah, let me get back to doing nothing. I'm gonna look some stuff up right quick. And yeah, cause that was interesting. That was pretty interesting.